This is Sam, the cooking guy. All right, we're working our way through Mediterranean Day. This is Israeli couscous. They also call it pearl couscous because it looks like little pearls. We're gonna toast it first. You don't have to, but it just gives it extra flavor. So I have a little pot, we'll put a little oil in, and get my favorite spatula, high heat spatula. High heat spatula, ladies and gentlemen, you should have one. So when you're in a pot like this or you're in a pan or a wok or something, it won't melt. All right, so now in they go. And then this happens. We're not trying to, you know, like brown them necessarily. They'll get a little color, but it's more about flavor. 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. And nobody let me forget arugula. There's an arugula step coming up. So now we add water. Just cover it with water. But I'm gonna put maybe a little bit more water in than would be necessary because I need room for the arugula step. Don't spill, don't spill. Okay, we're gonna add some salt. Bring it to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and let it cook about 7-8 minutes. In the meantime, we gotta do something that will go in it. So these ingredients we used earlier, same ones. Arugula. While I'm here, let me take it out. Oh, and mushrooms. You almost let me forget the mushrooms. We'll go with the size of the couscous being our guide, meaning we'll cut these things, you know, little like that. Let's throw this in. Just get cooked. Okay, peppers and now some onion. Shiitakes. I love shiitakes. And these are fresh shiitakes as opposed to dried ones, which if you have dried, that's fine. You just have to reconstitute them, which means put them in some hot water till they plump back up again. Look how nice. The smell from right here. It's tremendous. It's tremendous. It's tremendous. Reminds me of my mother-in-law. She gave me a watch once that was an Italian watch. And she gives it to me, she goes, "It's Italian." I love my mother-in-law. I call her almost every day. And my mother, my own mother and my mother-in-law. Shall we? Let's introduce the mushrooms into this whole nonsense. Garlic. Let's put some garlic in. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, that's almost there. That's almost there. I'm going to try an arugula trick. And that's almost there. Baby arugula. I'm a fan. A huge fan. Look at it. It's fantastic. It's the best. I need a little dressing. I gotta do this fast. I need some ginger. Oh, now I really gotta rush. Because here's what I want. I want to make this little dressing, but I want the dressing to go on this couscous and that stuff when it's hot. Okay, some oil, neutral. Soy. Look, take the arugula and throw it in here. And use some tongs. Don't burn yourself. Just let it do this. Rice vinegar. Sesame oil, sesame oil. It still needs salt. And some red pepper flakes. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, the dressing's a little Asian. Sorry. There's no time for perfection now, Michael. Garlic, ginger, salt. Now, oh wait, stay. Oh. The couscous and the arugula, drain. Together. In it goes. This. Now some dressing. And the point of doing it while it's hot is that it kind of soaks it all in. I'm so hot, you can't believe it. That was honestly painful. Oh boy, is that good. And the arugula thing right at the end. A great way to deal with it. All right, I'd like to say it's been a great show, but it's not over yet. We have one more thing. And it involves lamb and tahini. What's tahini? Oh, just you wait. You're gonna dig this. You, and you know who I'm talking to. You are gonna dig this.